Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions from Excel into QuickBooks Online. This is an incredibly useful process when you need to bulk upload bank transactions instead of entering them manually one by one, saving you considerable time and effort in your bookkeeping workflow. Before we begin, make sure your bank transactions CSV file is properly prepared and ready to upload. Once that's sorted, head over to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. When you're in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Transactions. This will open up the main transactions interface where you can manage all your financial data. Within the transactions page, select the Bank Transactions tab. This is where all your banking activity is organized and managed. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a drop-down button. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Upload from File. This initiates the import process. A new window will pop up prompting you to add your file. You can either click Browse to search for your CSV file manually, or simply drag and drop your file directly into the designated area. Choose whichever method works best for you. Once your file is selected, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll need to choose the account type for these transactions. For now, select Cash and Cash Equivalent from the options provided, then click Continue. This tells QuickBooks what kind of account these transactions belong to, ensuring they're categorized correctly in your books. You'll now see some formatting options. Select Yes to confirm that the first row in your file is a header row. This helps QuickBooks understand your column labels, then choose one column for amounts, and select the appropriate date format that matches how dates appear in your CSV file. These settings ensure your data imports correctly without any confusion. If prompted, you'll need to map your CSV file columns to QuickBooks fields. This means matching your spreadsheet columns like date, description, and amount to the corresponding fields. QuickBooks uses Take your time here to ensure everything aligns properly. A preview of your imported transactions will now appear. Review this carefully and use the checkboxes to select or deselect specific transactions you want to import. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Continue. You'll be asked to confirm the import, so click Yes to proceed. After the import is complete, navigate to the For Review tab in the Banking section. Here you'll find all your newly imported transactions waiting to be categorized and properly added to your books. Review each one to ensure accuracy before finalizing them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.